to show you how to build a mini Among Us crewmate. Just that for now. So first, I'll start with 1x2 plates. Then I'll go with 2 1x2 plates, but one of them has holes in it. Then I'll have 2 1x2 bricks that has holes in it. Then I need a round brick. Then we'll use a piece, just a 2x2 plate, 1x2 plate but I got this from a link from another channel, and I might show you in the description below the channel, but probably not because I don't really know the channel's name. Then, last thing. Well, you'll need 2 of the 1x2 bricks, but I couldn't find any, so I just got a 1x2 brick with a line in it. Then you'll need a round plate and a tile, a 1x1 tile. Make 2 of them. Then, here we go, the building. I'll grab my 2 plates first. Then, I will put my hole, I'll just call it holy brick. The one with the holes. Then, you have to put that on. Then you'll put the 1x2 brick. Then you have to put the top brick, which is going to be the round brick, on top of them. Then I'll use my printed 1x2 plate and put that on the hole spots. Then I have to do the bottom part. So I'll use the 1x2 bricks with the holes. I'll put them this way. Then you'll need another 1x2 brick and put that on. Then you'll need the legs. These are legs, the plates with the tiles. I guess I'll call that plates with tiles. The round plates with tiles. The 1x1 tiles. You put that on however you want, like this, on that. And then it's a mini Among Us crewmate. Bye. See you. Спасибо.